Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In the breaking news of today, the company RAM Research Motor began a Latin American recall of the telephone line BlackBerry Corp with the serial number 20P. Since the beginning of March, the company has received a few complaints about the flawed software.
RAM voluntarily recalled the cell phones after receiving some letters complaining about the problems with the software, such as slow running and screen freezing. This problem have appeared in production between February and March 2012. Consumers have been notified to return their cell phones.
Now, we're going to have an expert with us talking about the failure in the software of the BlackBerry.
Here is the expert in new technology and software programming, Dr. Eber Gonzalez, professor in the University of Pennsylvania in the Department of Electronic Engineering. What would you say is the main problem with Blackberries?
The main problem, I think, is the software. You see, if an algorithm is not working properly, all the software does not. You see, when you're running the software, you write a number of algorithms, and if one fails, all the software crashes.
And now, what should RAM do in order to solve the problem with the next generation of the BlackBerry Corp?
Well, RAM should look to see what's the problem. If there is the software or is the hardware, they will look and see how to fix the problem, and then they can improve the next generations of the BlackBerry Corp.
Thank you for your time, Dr. Gonzalez. Now we will have an interview with the representative of RAM Company, Engineer Ricardo Soto.
Good afternoon, Fernando. First of all, in name of the company RAM, I would like to apologize for the inconvenience caused for the BlackBerry Curve launched the last 2 months.
What is exactly your role in RAM Company?
Okay, I'm in charge for customer service in all Latin America region.
And what is the process that RAM is following in order to solve the problem?
In order to solve the problem, RAM is making a recall for every possible user who could buy a BlackBerry Curve in the past 4 months. For more specifications, you can go to the webpage www.babyexchange.com.
What are the steps that the users have to follow to solve the problem?
In order to solve the problem that it will be changed your BlackBerry, you need to go to the webpage I just gave you. There, you need to check if the serial number of the BlackBerry you have matches with any serial number that appears in the webpage. If it does happen, you need to go to any local BlackBerry store, and then you can change your BlackBerry for a new one.
Thank you, Mr. Soto. Well, that was all the news for today. See you tomorrow. We are
Carla?
and Fernando. See you tomorrow in NBC News.